Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing the series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT RC questions. In this specific video, we are dealing with the CAT 2018 RC. Before you go through this video, I would request you to go through the passage analysis video. That's going to help you better understand this passage. Now, what is this question all about? What are we talking about here? The passage uses the metaphor of the dog walker to argue that evolutionary adaptation is most comprehensively understood as being determined by. Now, we have a specific context here which labels these particular factors. What is the context? Now imagine the same dog walker struggling with multiple dogs on leashes of varied lengths, with each dog tugging in different directions. So there are different factors which are pulling the dog in different directions. All these tugs represent the influence of. So all these tugs are these different factors here. Which are the different factors which have been included here in the list? A. Developmental factors including epigenetics, antibodies, hormone passed on by parents, as well as ecological legacies and culture they bequeath. So development factors are an important pointer, epigenetics are there, antibodies, hormones are present, and you've got ecological legacies and culture. So these are all the different factors which have been mentioned, and we've got to match these with the given answer choices. Right now, the one thing that you've got to keep in mind is there is one default factor which is already there, which is the genetic factors. Right, genes are already there. These are in addition to genes. Remember, genes, that's the basic tug, that's the basic dog leash. So genes plus these other factors, that's the complete list of factors. So genetic factors are always going to be there. So now let's look at the answer options. Option number A says extra genetic, genetic, epigenetic, and genomic legacies. Genomic legacies and extra genetic are not mentioned here, right? Extra genetic, we don't even know what extra genetic means. It cannot mean epigenetic because epigenetic is mentioned separately. Helps us rule out option number A. Same problem with option number C as well. We don't know what extra genetic is. Leaves us with B and D. Option number B says socio-cultural. We know cultural, but there is no mention of socio-cultural, so that's a problem. Genetic and epigenetic are fine. Genomic legacies, again, there is a question mark, not directly mentioned, right? Whereas option number D, genetic, is the basic dog leash. Epigenetic is mentioned here. Development factors are mentioned here, and ecological legacies, ecological factors are mentioned here. So option number D finds all the four parameters mentioned, no ambiguity. Nothing that we have to extrapolate, nothing that we have to derive on our own. Hence, option number D is the valid answer here, and the other options are ruled out. This is the approach you need to adopt for this question. Hopefully, so you're clear with the reasoning for this question now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.